Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to keep a moving profile in your Google account. So how to keep a Google moving profile. So let's say how can we keep it. So let's get started through the video. So open Google, type cool gift. Okay. Then go to images. So here as you can see many GIF, you can choose any of them, the one which you like. I like this. Let's see. Okay. No, there's nothing good in there. Let's go back. Let's go to neon. I think that would be better in that something would be better. Okay, let's see what's this. Jake animated GIF. What's this? Is this that's going good? Okay, I like this one. Just right click, save image as, so it's saving. Watch the video till the end. Then just click save. You can see here it has downloaded. Then you should click here on your profile. Now you should choose here. Then you should drag and drop this thing over here. And now as you can see it is uploading. So now let's adjust the size of it. Let's keep the maximum and this in the between. Set as profile photo. Okay, so now it's loading. Okay, so as you can see here, it's a it's now my Google moving profile. I hope you like it. Bye. See you in the next video.